You just got your new FreezyFun maker? Now what?
All right, so we finished using our FreezyFun, and now I'm going to show you how to take it apart for cleaning. If you're doing something with juice, you can use the cleaning setting. If you're doing something with milk, like a milkshake or soft serve, it's better to take it apart and wash the pieces by hand. So this is how you'll do that. First, you're going to grab the lock lever. It's this kind of horseshoe-shaped piece, and just lift it up. And that's going to unlock the assembly. Now, if there's any remnants, you're going to want to tip it, when you pull it forward, you're going to tip it down so it doesn't leak out the back. Oh, and all of my pieces are coming out at once, so I'm going to show them to you. This is the auger, and that slides off of the condensation ring. And there is also this condensation tray. So I'm going to go put these in the sink to get them ready to wash. And then there's a couple more parts that I'll show you here in just a sec. Okay, so after you get the cooling assembly off, you're going to pull the little drip tray forward. It just comes right out, easy peasy. And then you can take off the cover and wash these two pieces also. Then you're going to take a damp cloth or a paper towel and wipe off the cooling assembly and get that nice and clean. You may have some drips that have gone down underneath. Grab a paper towel or a damp rag and clean that up. So there you have it. I'm just going to get that nice and clean and dry, and it'll be ready to go for next time. And then wash all the pieces, dry them, and put it all back together. All right, our FreezyFun is all clean and ready to get put back together. So she's all apart, and we're ready to go. So make sure that the locking mechanism is up, and we're going to start with the auger. Just slide that over the cooling barrel and make sure that it is aligned. All right, now we're going to take our dispensing unit and we're going to turn it kind of upside down. So it will go on like this, but we're going to turn it upside down. Take the condensation tray, this black part, and you can see that there's these notches, and there's notches on the bottom of that. So you're going to line them up and click it into place. Okay, so it's going to go on like this. So the thick part is going to go towards the spout. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. So slide it on and lock it into place. All right, and then we're going to slide this whole unit over the auger. Can you see how that goes? Just slide it back into place and then press down the locking mechanism. It's all in place. Then we're just going to take the drip tray cover, slide that into place on the drip tray, and then just line it up with the bottom and click it into place. And then she's all ready to go. If you're going to use it right away, that's great. If you're not, then go ahead and wrap up the cord. It has a little tags with Velcro so that you can keep it all wound up and store it away nice and tidy. I love these Velcro locks. So there you have it. Keep it stored upright. Otherwise, you'll need to let it sit for 2 hours before you go to dispense it to allow the coolant to flow into place the way it should be. But otherwise, get ready to have so much FreezyFun.